Namaste parents, hello children, this is AJ. Welcome back to our session. We are learning 10th standard CBSE Mathematics, Introduction to Trigonometry, Chapter 8. We have already learned how to find out sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, trigonometric ratios and their reciprocals. Today we will see some more trigonometric ratios, that means some more specific angles. Right children? Let us start with 45 degrees children. Here trigonometric ratios of 45 degrees. See the triangle ABC, right angle triangle, right angled at B. Right. So we are finding angles for 45 degrees. So that means here I am taking angle A equal to 45 degrees. Right children? This is 90 degrees and this is 45 degrees. Now tell me what about this angle? Angle C equal to 180 degrees minus 90 minus 45. Right? So that equal to 180 minus 135 degrees. Correct children? So 180 minus 135, it is 45 degrees. This is nothing but angle sum property. Correct? So angle C value also 45 degrees here. So now here angle A equal to 45, angle C equal to 45 degrees. Correct children? So angle A and angle C, both the angles are equal. In a triangle, two angles are equal means the opposite sides are also equal. Correct? So that I can write AB equal to this opposite AB and this opposite BC. AB equal to BC. Let us take AB equal to A. Right? So AB is A means what about BC? This is also A. Correct children? So this is A here. Now we have to find out AC side. Use Pythagoras property. As per Pythagoras property, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. That's what I am writing. Correct children? So let us find AC value now. So AC square equal to AB square, that is small a square plus again a square, that equal to 2a square. Now AC equal to root of 2a square. I am writing separately here root of a square, right? Here square and square root will get cancelled. So what is AC equal to? Root 2a. Now we got AC value also, that is root 2a children. So now we have three sides AB, BC, AC and we know three angles. Let us find out trigonometric ratios of 45 degrees. Sin 45 degrees equal to, we know the formula, right? Opposite side to 45 degrees divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side to 45 degrees, it is BC, divided by hypotenuse, it is AC. What is BC value children? It is small a divided by AC value root 2a. So a will get cancelled, 1 by root 2 is the final answer. Sin 45 equal to 1 by root 2. Now we will check cos of 45. Adjacent side to 45 degrees divided by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side here? AB. AB by AC. Hypotenuse. What is AB value here? A divided by root 2a. Here also a will get cancelled. 1 by root 2 is the answer. Cos 45 degrees equal to 1 by root 2. Now tan 45 degrees. Opposite side to 45 degrees divided by adjacent side to 45 degrees. You know opposite and adjacent sides, right? So that is BC by AB. Correct children? So BC equal to A by AB equal to small a again. So AA will get cancelled. 1 is the answer. So tan 45 equal to 1. Now tell me cosecant, secant and cot 45 degrees. It is exactly reciprocals of these angles. Cosecant 45 equal to 1 by sin 45. We know this is the reciprocal of sin theta, right? So that is 1 by sine 45. Already we have sine 45, it is 1 by root 2. So the reciprocal it is root 2. So cos 45 is root 2 children. Now secant 45 also same way. 1 by cos 45. Reciprocal of cos 45, that equal to root 2. So secant 45 also root 2. Now cot 45. Tan 45 how much? It is 1. Reciprocal of 1 is 1 again. Right? So these are the trigonometric ratios of 45 degrees children. Trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees and 60 degrees children. Here I took equilateral triangle. You know equilateral triangle means all the three angles are same. So here also 60, 60 here and 60 here also. Correct children? So ABC is an equilateral triangle. Draw perpendicular AD from A to side BC. AD is a perpendicular to BC line. Right children? Now compare triangles ABD and ADC children. Observe carefully, this is a total big triangle is equilateral triangle. That means this side and this side is equal. Here you see 60 degrees and 60 degrees. We are drawing 90 degrees perpendicular means this angle and this angle is equal. Correct? So can I say these two triangles are congruent? So I am writing triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ADC. Right children? Now BD equal to DC as per CPCT, and see observe here BAD, angle BAD, this part equal to angle DAC. Can I write like this? As per CPCT, angle BAD equal to angle DAC. Right children? So BD equal to DC here, I am taking BD equal to A. So this value also A. Now totally BC equal to A plus A, it is 2A. That means AB also 2A, AC also 2A. Correct? So here I am writing. As per CPCT, angle BAD equal to angle DAC. That means here totally it is 60. Now BAD is 30 degrees. Right children? Now consider triangle ABD. (90° at D and angle BAD equal to 30 degrees, angle B equal to 60 degrees. So these are the measurements for triangle ABD. Correct children? So in this triangle we know BD value, it is A, and we know AB value, it is 2A. Now we have to find out AD value. We don't know this one. As per Pythagoras property, AB square equal to BD square plus DA square. Correct children? We know AB value, that is 2A square. 2A whole square equal to BD value we know A square. DA we don't know. So this is 4A square. This A square will go this side, minus A square, that equal to DA square. So 4A square minus A square, it is 3A square children. This is DA square. So from this I will get AD value root of 3A square. I will write separately root 3 root of A square. Here square and root will get cancelled. Root 3A is AD. Now we know AD measurement also. Now we will find out trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees first children. Consider ABD triangle. Observe this one. This is 30 degrees, right? So now sine 30 degrees equal to opposite to 30 degrees divided by hypotenuse. So opposite to 30 degrees, that is BD. We are considering only ABD triangle children. So 30 degrees opposite this one. Here I am writing opposite, that equal to BD. And 30 degrees adjacent, this one AD. This is adjacent, children. Correct? So now you start doing sine 30 degrees equal to opposite to angle 30, that is BD, by hypotenuse is AB. So BD value it is A here, hypotenuse AB value it is 2A. So A will get cancelled 1 by 2 here. Cos 30, children, adjacent side to angle 30. Adjacent is this one, AD divided by hypotenuse we know AB. So what is adjacent? Root 3A divided by hypotenuse 2A. AA will get cancelled root 3 by 2 here. Tan 30 degrees, opposite side to 30 degrees divided by adjacent side to 30 degrees. That is BD divided by adjacent, this one, AD. A by root 3A. Correct, children? So AA will get cancelled 1 by root 3 here. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. We know how to find out cosecant and secant and cot theta. Correct? Now cosecant 30 degrees equal to reciprocal of sin 30 degrees. That is 1 by 2 reciprocal, 2, children. Now secant 30 degrees equal to reciprocal of cos 30 degrees. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal it is 2 by root 3. Tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. That means cot 30 equal to reciprocal of tan 30. 1 by root 3 reciprocal, it is root 3, children. So these are the values for trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees. Let's find out trigonometric ratios of 60 degrees, children, now. Sin 60 degrees, opposite to 60 degrees divided by hypotenuse. Now 60 degrees is this one. So this will be opposite and this will be adjacent. So here I am writing this is opposite and 60 degrees adjacent, this one. Consider only this angle. So opposite to 60 degrees is AD divided by hypotenuse we know 2A, that is AB. So AD value is root 3A divided by AB value is 2A. AA will get cancelled, root 3 by 2 is sin 60 degrees. Now cos 60 degrees, adjacent side to 60 degrees. This is 60 and this is adjacent. That is BD divided by hypotenuse AB. BD value we know A by here 2A. So AA will get cancelled 1 by 2 here. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Now tan 60, children, opposite to angle 60. Opposite to angle 60 is AD divided by adjacent. Adjacent to angle 60 is BD. So AD value it is root 3A divided by BD value it is A. A will get cancelled root 3. Now we know sin 60, cos 60, tan 60 values. We can find out easily cosecant, secant, cot 60. Now cosecant 60 equal to reciprocal of sin 60, that is 1 by sin 60. So root 3 by 2 reciprocal it is 2 by root 3. Now secant 60 is reciprocal of cos, that is 1 by 2 reciprocal it is 2. Cot 60 equal to reciprocal of tan 60, that is 1 by tan 60. So root 3 reciprocal it is 1 by root 3. So these are the ratios for 60 degrees, children. Now trigonometric ratios for 0 and 90 degrees. First we will see for 0 degrees, children. Here we have ABC triangle, right angle triangle. We want first 0 degrees, right? Here A should be 0 degrees, children. That means we have to reduce this angle. See, slowly after some steps A is almost near to 0. So after reducing A, we will write the measurements. See the measurements, children. Angle A is very close to 0. See, after reducing it is very close to 0, right? BC gets very close to 0. So this value also becoming 0 slowly. AC nearly same as AB. This is AC. It is same as AB. That means it is reducing means AC near to AB value, right? So that's why AC is nearly same as AB. So we know the values. Let's write the ratios now. Now sine 0 degrees, children, opposite side to angle 0 degrees. We are considering this one as 0 degrees. So opposite means this one, BC is opposite, right? And hypotenuse is AC. And adjacent to angle A, that means adjacent to 0 degrees is AB. Now we'll write sine 0 degrees equal to opposite side to 0 degrees. That means BC by hypotenuse is AC. What is BC value, children? It is very close to 0. That means I am writing 0 divided by AC. 0 by any number, it is 0. Right? Now cos 0 degrees, adjacent side to 0 degrees, adjacent to 0 degrees, that is AB divided by hypotenuse, that is AC. AB value and AC value nearly same. AC is nearly same as AB. That means AB by AC equal to 1. Tan 0 degrees, opposite to 0 degrees. So opposite to 0 degrees means BC divided by adjacent to 0 degrees, that is AB. Now BC is 0 here divided by AB. 0 by anything, it is 0, children, right? Is cosecant. Now we can find these reciprocals. Cosecant 0 degrees equal to 1 by sine 0 degrees, that is sine reciprocal. That means here 0 by AC, correct? Now it is AC by 0, children. Anything by 0, it is not defined. Now secant 0 degrees, children, that is reciprocal of cos 0, 1 by cos 0. So 1 by cos 0 means 1 already there and cos 0 value 1. So 1 by 1 it is 1, children. Secant 0 degrees is 1. Now cot 0, 1 by tan 0. That means here it is 0 by AB, right, children? So I can write AB by 0 because reciprocal of tan. AB by 0 is nothing but not defined. Right, children? So these are the values for 0 degrees. Sine 0 equal to 0, cos 0 equal to 1, tan 0 degrees equal to 0, cosecant 0 equal to not defined, secant 0 equal to 1, cot 0 equal to not defined. Now we will see 90 degrees. Now 90 degrees, children. See here, we took ABC triangle, right angle triangle. Now we want A also 90 degrees, right? So that's what we have to move A towards to B. See, slowly it is moving towards to B. After some step, A almost 90 degrees, right, children? Now we'll write the measurements here. Now see the measurements, children. Angle C very close to 0. See, if this is moving towards to B means this is close to 0. Angle C is very close to 0 degrees. Angle A is very close to 90 degrees. See, this is going towards to B. That means it is also becoming 90 degrees now. AC is almost same as BC. See, AC measurement and BC measurement both are very close, right? So that means AC is almost same as BC. Now what happened to AB? It is moving towards to B. That means AB is nearly 0. Right, children? Now we'll write the ratios. We are considering this angle, children, angle A almost 90 degrees. That means angle A opposite is BC. Angle A adjacent is AB. This is adjacent side. Now AC is hypotenuse. Right, children? We'll write the ratios. Sine 90 degrees equal to opposite side to 90 degrees divided by hypotenuse. That means BC by AC. What is BC value, children? It is almost AC, right? So BC and AC almost same. That means it is 1. Cos 90 degrees. Adjacent side to 90 degrees. That is AB divided by hypotenuse. It is AC. AB is nearly 0. 0 by AC, that means 0 by anything, it is 0, right? Now tan 90 degrees, opposite side to 90 degrees. That is BC by adjacent side to 90 degrees. That is AB. BC by AB is nearly 0, children. That means BC divided by 0 means it is not defined. Right, children? Now we will find the reciprocals of these angles. Cosecant 90 degrees, children, 1 by sin 90 degrees. Reciprocal of sin 90. That is 1 by 1, again 1. Now secant 90 degrees, 1 by cos 90 degrees, children. Cos 90 is 0. That means 1 by 0. It is not defined. Cot 90 equal to 1 by tan 90. That means reciprocal of tan 90. See here, tan 90 equal to BC by 0. Can I write it is 0 by BC? So 0 by BC is nothing but 0, children. So cot 90 equal to 0. So these are the ratios for 90 degrees, children. Let us write all the trigonometric ratios in table form, children. Here we have one easy trick to remember these angles. See, sin A, that means sin 0 I am writing 0 here. Sin 30 it is 1 by 2. Sin 45 it is 1 by root 2. Sin 60 it is root 3 by 2. And sin 90 equal to 1. You remember only this order. You can write all the remaining angles. I will tell you how it is. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1 here. Now cos, it will go always opposite to sin. Just write from back to front. That means 1 to 0. See here, what is the angle here? 1. So this will be cos 0. Now 1. Next root 3 by 2. It will come here. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Next 1 by root 2 here. So this will be 1 by root 2 only. And next 1 by 2 will come here. And 0 will come here. See here. 0 to 1 here and 1 to 0. Completely reverse order. Now tan angle, it is very easy. Sin by cos. Correct. Sin by cos, see. 0 by 1 it is 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Root 2 will get cancelled. It is 1. Tan 60 now. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. Root 3 by 1, that is root 3. 1 by 0, it is not defined. Right, children? Now you know cosecant angle A. That means reciprocal of sin theta. 0 by 1 here. So when it comes to cosecant angle 1 by 0, that means it is not defined here. Correct, children? So cosecant 0 equal to not defined. Now cosecant 30 degrees. Cosecant 30 degrees. 1 by 2 reciprocal, it is 2. 1 by root 2 reciprocal, it is root 2. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal, 2 by root 3. 1 reciprocal, 1 only. Now see cosecant A also we got. Correct, children? Now we will see secant. This is also reciprocal of cos. Start doing 1 reciprocal, 1 here. I will use blue. Secant 30 it is cosecant opposite. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal. That means 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 reciprocal, it is root 2. 1 by 2 reciprocal, it is 2. And 0 by 1, think this is 0 by 1. This reciprocal 1 by 0, that means it is not defined. Now cot 0 degrees, children, see exactly reciprocal of tan. Here tan 0 is 0 by 1, that means cot 0 equal to 1 by 0. It is not defined. Now cot 30, see tan 30, it is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 reciprocal, it is root 3. Now cot 45, tan 45 is 1, reciprocal 1. Cot 60, tan 60 is root 3 children. Reciprocal of root 3 it is 1 by root 3. Now cot 90 degrees, what is tan 90 degrees? It is not defined, that means 1 by 0. Think 1 by 0. So this will be 0. Reciprocal is 0 children. Please remember all these trigonometric ratios very well children, because when you are doing questions, it will be very helpful. Thank you very much.